Hi everyone, so let's take a look at how to make a dashboard. So I click on this dashboard builder icon. Then you can start to add components that you want to put on the dashboard. There are two ways you can do this. One is go to your the folders in your organizer and pick the components that you want to put on the dashboard, or you can actually create some new components on the fly by invoking one of these designers, like making maps or charts or reports. So for this demo, let's go ahead and pick a few items from the organizer. And so here I have a map. Just kind of rearrange this a little bit, and a chart as well as a report. So this is a very easy to use free form layout tool. So just line them up in any way you want, basically. And the next thing is, I noticed there are some parameters in this chart as well as this report. So I have 3 parameters each, and I actually want to be able to share them because I don't want to invoke parameters individually on these components. So what I do is set up share parameters by clicking the share parameter button and say share, and I want to have a start date as my share parameter. So I pick the fields from here. So I have start dates, and also the prompt would be start date. Then I also want to add end date to this to set up a range. So these are the end dates. Hit OK, and now you have start date and end dates as parameters that are shared. And I want to set up a range as well. So I call this date range. And so the first one would be year 2002. This would be start from January 1st, 2002, and then ends at December 31st, 2002. Then the second value of the range would be 2003, and likewise set up the beginning end date for the range. Hit OK, and now I have a panel that I can display the date range as parameters. So you can just kind of line them up a little bit. And as you notice, when I change the range value, I get the values passed to the report and chart. So next thing I want to do is add a label. So I will basically make this as like a title for this dashboard. So sales by state dashboard, and I can change the font size. Say, let's pick some value, and I can probably make it a little bit bigger, say 42. And I can also do something with the background. Let me take out the border and also make the background transparent, and I'll do the same thing with the parameter panel. So basically I want to add a background to the whole dashboard so that it look like everything is blended onto the dashboard. So let me go ahead and choose a background image. So I guess I browse to this location and apply. Then now I have the dashboard with background. When I do a preview, so you can see the background is shown on this dashboard with the parameters and the label on the dashboard without the borders. Next, let's take a look at a feature called Drew Across or element linking. So let's take a look at this dialog. State actually is a parameter for the chart and report. So the product sales report, there's a state parameter. Let's say we link that to the state column in the map, and likewise let's add the link to the chart. So once you've done that, you notice that if I click on the state, the report and the chart will reflect the change, meaning that the data for that state would be shown in the report and the chart. So Texas, Illinois, and so on. So the dashboard is basically finished, and you can save it to the organizer if you like, and it will be immediately ready for publishing. So this concludes the demo for the dashboard builder. Thank you for watching.